Hi guys, today I'm going to show you exactly how we very finely dice a clove of garlic. So the first thing we need is a damp cloth, and that's going to go straight onto our work surface there. And we put that there so we can put our favourite chopping board straight onto it and it won't budge, okay? Get your favourite sharp knife, have the blade facing away from you, get yourself a bin to put some rubbish in, and get yourself a ball of garlic. I call it a ball of garlic because my kids think that it's a ball, and it's a ball, and they know what they're looking for if I say that it's a ball, but it's a bulb. Okay, so we're going to just pull one off. We're not going to damage that too much. Put him to one side. Okay, we're going to get the easy furry stuff off, if there's any easy furry stuff on it. And then I just put it straight down on the board. I get my knife with the blade away, and I use the ball of the palm of my hand here. And I put it onto there. I scrunch my fingers in so I don't touch my blade. I rest the handle on the chopping board and I put pressure on it, and I just push until there's a crack. Then now the skin should easily just come off it. Okay? It's still in one piece. We can either fry it like that. We've broken the shell so all the perfume of the garlic can come out, so we can shallow fry that. Or we can very finely slice it. Now, to slice it, I'm going to have you to bend your fingers in so the inside of your fingers, so the fingertips are underneath your knuckles, okay? So when we hold our food, those knuckles are what guides the knife, okay? So, I'm gonna roll my sleeves up. I'm gonna just chop like against this top knuckle here, use that as a guide. All of my other fingers are on top of the garlic clove. I'm just gonna very finely chop that root off, just a tiny, tiny, tiny bit. And then I'm going to slice it in half to save it from rocking, because it might move around. And then I'm just going to put my fingers on it and I'm just going to push. And every time I go backwards, I move my finger ever so slightly back like that. And then when I get to the very small part, I'm just going to turn that on its flat end and I'm going to rock it. So I'm just going to go over that garlic like that, scrape it off, use the back of the knife to get it off the finger, put it into the middle, and we're just going to go over it to get it as fine as you want it. It's really nice to put that effort in to getting it exactly right, because it's made by you and it's made by love. So there we go, that is how we do garlic. Thank you very much for watching. If you like what we do, then subscribe to our channel. You can find us on Instagram and YouTube as well. So thank you very much, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye.